Alright, here is our option 3, and I did this in multiple different parts. You can do it however you see fit. This is what was easy for me, and so that's what I did. So let's first look at our drawing. And sorry, I did this in 3 parts. I did the bottom, then I extruded this part up here, and then I did get a extrude cut here, then I cut these holes there. So let's go ahead and get that started and get that done. Actually, let's do this. I get this out. And this. And this. It's just so we can see this a little easier in the video. Alright, we're going to go to Home, New, Part File, Millimeters, Create. And I'm going to go ahead and start this 2D sketch. I'm going to start in the bottom right, and I'm going to go ahead and draw this bottom shape right here. So, my favorite rectangle because it's so fast and easy. And let's go ahead and throw some dimensions on it. This is at, 50? And this is at 100. And 50 and 100, and let's go ahead and finish and round off my edges. This is a radius right here. Radius of times 15, so I can fillet this. 15. This and this. This and this. And then I have a circle along the same center line, and another circle here, and it says it is 12, diameter 12. Let's go ahead and dimension those. Those two are now done, and I've dimensioned everything. Let's make sure that this is indeed a offset up here of 15, except like it says there, and this is offset up here of 15, except completely okay. And now I will go through and extrude just this shape. Alright, and it goes to a distance of 15. And click OK. Now I have done my part of that. That's the bottom part, and I'm going to do this section right here. So, start a new sketch on this surface, and then I'm going to do this shape right here. And this is relatively easy. Go here, and I need to escape. I accidentally gave myself a coincidental restraint. So I'm going to undo that whole rectangle. Do another one. And I don't want the coincidental restraint to go there, so I'm just going to put it at a random point because I don't want that. So I'm going to put some dimensions on this one. And no. Here and here at 15. Alright. And that's a thickness of here's 15. And let's do another line somewhere there to here, to here, to here, and trim off my extra edges. And then I need to put a distance between this and this. And let's actually look at this. We know that the full length of this from here to here is 46. From the back all the way to the edge of this is 46. So that means this whole distance is 50. That means this distance is 4. Alright. And we know from this edge to this edge, the distance between these two is 40. So dimension between here and here ought to be 40, which means to make it center between here and here needs to be 30, because we have 60 left over, and it should constrain it automatically to 30, except we're good. So that gives us that top part, and we are going to now extrude the rest of it. So finish sketch, extrude this shape, and we're going up by 65 minus 15, 50. Now we should be able to look at this corner. And they're getting closer and closer to our end shape. Let's go ahead and do that radius of 15 on this corner. What? 15. That. And this one. Okay. Now we need to cut out this shape here and this circle. So we're going to go ahead and do our first shape. Now just cutie sketch right here. I'm going to rotate it this way. And we have a half circle all the way down here. So the distance between the center of the circle and the top here is 25. So circle. I'm going to do somewhere, this middle is there. And now that gives me a coincidental restraint. The dimension of this circle is radius of 24. That means it has a radius of 12 is 24. And now I need to pick a distance between here and outside needs to be at 25. And now I can draw a line from the quadrant to the perpendicular. And from the end here to here to here to the tangent. And I can untrim this unnecessary part. And now I can go extrude this. And I want to cut it out. I want to do it through all. I know to give me a step. The last thing we're going to do is cut off this edge and make this hole. And that's it. So new 2D sketch right there. Let's rotate it right. Now we're going to go ahead and draw a line here to here, here, down here, here to here. And let's go ahead and dimension this. No. Let's dimension this line. No. Alright, so once I do that, since it's just going to not let me snap a line to back here, let's just go ahead and just say 15. Okay. And another one here, and go straight down and say 15. And it's going to give me a line and I can go ahead and close it. Now I'm going to do a circle. And I'm just going to throw it here randomly. And let's go ahead and dimension this is diameter of 10. And the distance between the top and the center line of here. And this needs to be.
They said like 1 feet away from you.
Center line of this is 25. And the center and this edge needs to be 15. And I can finish the sketch. Now I can extrude this circle and this edge. I want to cut it. I want to go through all, and I can okay. And now we are finished with our shape. We have done our whole complete shape, and we are done.